Well, today we're charged with doing a lawn. Come on along with me and let's see what we can get done here. This is the backyard. Yeah, all this too. And that's a backyard. Don't judge me on that garden. We didn't get to it this year. Look, it actually grew one flower. We filled it up with flower seeds this year and, well, we got a zinnia. I forgot we have grapes. A whole bunch of them. And they're good too. Look at that one right there. Uh-oh. You're not supposed to be out here. Get in the yard. You silly girl. Hey, come on. All right. All that's gonna get mowed. When you mow, you don't just mow it one way. You gotta at least mow it two ways, if not three. Alright, so I already picked up all the poop, so I don't think I should step on any. Alright, so let's finish up this strip and head into the front yard. And well, there you got it. Nice lines, all done right. Look how clean those are. And with that, it's a crazy world out there, and there's lawns to be mowed. Have fun. See you next time. Still got all my toes. They're a little dirty, but I still got them all.